Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets science and honesty. Today, we're exploring a mascara that's been creating quite a buzz, Too Faced Naturally Better Than Sex Mascara. Promising volumized, curled lashes while being gentle enough for sensitive eyes, this mascara also boasts a 98% naturally derived formula. It comes in a travel-friendly size, is cruelty-free, and is designed to give your lashes that dramatic, fuller look without compromising on care. On first glance, the packaging is sleek and functional, compact enough for your makeup bag, yet stylish enough to leave out on your vanity. The wand itself is slightly hourglass-shaped, which helps lift and coat every lash from root to tip. The formula combines plant-based ingredients with mineral elements, aiming to nourish your lashes while delivering noticeable volume. Using it felt surprisingly lightweight. Unlike some mascaras that clump or flake, this one glides smoothly, separating lashes effectively. I tested it during my morning routine and found that it held a curl well throughout the day, even in humid conditions. Removal was gentle, no tugging or irritation, which is essential for anyone with sensitive eyes. One of the things I noticed is that it really does a great job layering without looking spidery. 2 coats gave me a visibly fuller lash line, while 3 coats intensified the drama without weighing lashes down. The travel size is convenient, though if you're a daily mascara user, the full-size option may be more practical in the long run. The pros are clear: gentle on eyes, volumizing, curl holding, smooth application, and nourishing with natural ingredients. On the flip side, it's not waterproof, so it won't hold up if you're planning on a pool day or heavy sweating. Also, the travel size means you might go through it quickly if you're a frequent wearer. In terms of value, the pricing sits in the mid to high range for a mascara, but considering the natural formulation and performance, it's justifiable. Compared to other premium mascaras on the market, it holds its own. Some offer waterproof versions or more extreme volume, but the balance of care, drama, and sensitivity makes this unique. The brush is well constructed, and the formula's consistency suggests decent longevity. It doesn't dry out quickly, and the natural ingredients mean lashes feel softer rather than brittle after repeated use. I haven't interacted with Too Faced customer support personally, but the brand maintains a solid reputation for responsive service. If budget is a concern, you could look at other naturally derived mascaras from brands like Tarte or Ilia, though they may vary slightly in performance. For those seeking a sensitive eye-friendly option that still delivers volume and curl, Too Faced Naturally Better Than Sex is a strong contender. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, I would recommend this mascara to anyone who wants dramatic, lifted lashes without irritation. It's perfect for sensitive eyes, daily wear, or travel, and it delivers a satisfying balance of care and performance. If you've used this mascara, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.